Hickory surprised me with this birthday cake, huge birthday cake, and Ralph and Mike gave me gifts. Pero pinagsama ko na. I think you saw this. So, I'll unbox this one first. Oh, thank you so much. There's one more. Given by the manufacturer. Thank you so much. Grabe naman po. Salamat. So, for this one, Mommy, thank you so much for this gift. So, ito, ang kanyang regalo. Grabe, kailangan ko na bumili ng lalagyan ng perfume. Ang dami ko ng perfume. Iba-iba yung amoy ko everyday. And, let's unbox this. Is this the first time I'm gonna receive from this brand? No. But, hindi kasi ako bumibili ng ganito. Kaya, ang sarap sa feeling kapag nakaka-receive ako. Thank you so much. Parang ayaw pa ko. It's a set. Thank you so much po. Kailangan ko na talagang bumili ng aking lalagyan ng perfume. The other one, last one. Dati pangarap ko lang to. Tapos binigyan ako ng sister ko and ng husband niya ng ganito, ng wallet. Kasi hindi pa nga namin afford yung bumili ng bag. I'm gonna use it now, today. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ralph, Mike, and Mommy for giving gifts, for loving me, and for accepting me to be part of your family. Maraming salamat po. Kaya naman guys, please do buy. Wait, I'll get lang. Hickory Arom, tinitake ko siya dahil umitim ako nung nasa Phuket and Pattaya kami. So, kailangan ko bawiin ulit yung glow. So, eto ang sagot doon. Hickory Arom. Click the yellow basket.